Frequencies on. Right. I have a knife. I'm going to kill everybody now. Time for some unboxing. Don't need a knife for this one. Look, it's open right there. So, with that being said, shouldn't really need a knife. Let's see what the first thing is. Ooh. Excellent. Excellent. Teen Titans Earth 1 Volume 1. Finally. Finally. Because by Jeff Lemire, because have a look at this. I'm still here. Still here. Not going anywhere. So I ordered Volume 1 and Volume 2, and Volume 2 came, but Volume 1 never did. And I got a refund from that company because it never came. And I got this off eBay. I put in a bid for it, and I got it. So now I've got the entire Lemire run, which is good. See what this is. Ow! Joking. Ooh. Ooh. Woohoo! Another one. This cost 10 fucking quid, did this. Harley Quinn, Our World's at War. Where does that go? Where does Harley Quinn go? Harley Quinn, after Superman, Man of Steel 117. Superman, Man of Steel 117. There you go. So that's one more gap filled up. Still more to come. Still more to come, but that's another gap filled. Because I know that this isn't DVDs. This isn't comics. This is one of many DVDs. Doctor Who, The Green Death, The Exit of Joe Grant. One disc, that's okay. And The Claws of Akhthoth. A creepy tale. Creepy aliens. One disc. Yeah. So yeah. Also, when I was down at Morrison's, I got some new DVDs. This one with Lindsay Lohan, Among the Shadows, Werewolves vs Vampires, action-packed. Says, curses of Private Eye with a secret she is descended from werewolves. So Underworld, just not. We'll see. And Betty Gilpin, Hilary Swank from Blumhouse, the producers of The Purge, The Hunt, the ultimate hunting experience. In this subversive satire, a group of elites gather for the very first time at a remote manor house to hunt ordinary Americans for sport. But the elite's master plan is about to be derailed because one Legion hunted, Betty Gilpin, Glow, knows the hunters again better than they do. She turns the tables on the killers, picking them off one by one, as she makes her way towards a mysterious woman, two-time Oscar winner Hilary Swank, at the centre of it all. And unseen cut included, Blumhouse's Fantasy Island, from the producer of Get Out on Halloween. In Blumhouse's Fantasy Island, enigmatic Mr. Rourke, Michael Pena, makes the secret dreams of his lucky guests come true at a luxurious but remote tropical resort. When the fantasies turn into nightmares, the guests have to solve the island's mystery in order to escape with their lives. Also starring Maggie Q, Luce Hale, Austin Stowell, Jimmy O, Yang and Ryan Hansen. Unrated edition includes scenes too horrifying and explicit for cinema. So yeah, The Hunt, Fantasy Island and Among the Shadows, along with the two Doctor Who's. So 5 DVDs today. Those cost 27 bloody quid all told. 10 and 7. So yeah. Ooh, ooh. I'll do another DVD dimension when I've got all the Doctor Who's in, because I just ordered some more last night of those as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it for now. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, get notifications, and sacrifice your firstborn to Satan. I think you know which one of those not to do, but if not, I've got bail money and I'll see you on the other side. Peace and I'm out of here.